Need an appliance part? Here are the best places to buy genuine parts in 2026 and where to avoid. Best sources. Number 1, your appliance repair company. Companies like ours carry OEM parts and can guarantee authenticity and compatibility. We know exactly which part fits your model. Number 2, the manufacturer's website. Samsung.com, lparts.com, whirlpoolparts.com. You get genuine OEM parts shipped directly. Prices are full retail but authenticity is guaranteed. Number 3, reputable online retailers. Part Select, Repair Clinic, and Appliance Parts Pros. These are established companies that carry genuine OEM and quality aftermarket parts. They have model number lookup tools. Where to be careful. Amazon. It is genuine parts and counterfeits mixed together. Third-party sellers sometimes list fake parts as OEM. Check the seller rating, read reviews, and look for shipped and sold by the authorized distributor. Where to avoid. eBay for critical parts. Too many used, refurbished, or counterfeit parts listed as new. Fine for knobs and cosmetic parts. Not for compressors or control boards. How to find the right part. You need your exact model number. Every part is model specific. Use the manufacturer's parts lookup tool. Enter your model number and it shows every compatible part. We sell and install OEM parts for all major brands. Port St. Lucie, Stuart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.